friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix network sharing no longer works in Windows 11 PC. So before I start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, if you also facing this error, then I will show you in this video how to fix this problem. First of all, you have to go register editor and click on file, click on export, then select here desktop, then save, then type here backup, then click on save, then double click on HKEY local machine, then double click on software, double click on Microsoft, then double click on policy manager. You can see here policy manager, double click on this, then double click on default. In this you search ADMX network connections. You can see here ADMX network connection, double click on this, NC personal firewall config, you can see here NC personal firewall config, click on this, then right click on policy type, click on modify, then type here value data 1, then click on OK. After that you select NC show shared, then here also right click policy type, click on modify, type here value data 1, then click on OK. After doing this, restart your PC or laptop, fix your problem. So in this way you fix this problem. Thanks for watching friends. Hope like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.